Federal High Court in Abuja has adjourned to November 19, 2018, a case of alleged corruption and diversion of public funds brought against National Chairman of the All Progressives Congress, Adams Oshiomole. The case, which was instituted by an Edo State indigene, Bishop Osadolo Oche, is asking the court to compel the EFCC to investigate the former governor of Edo State. Our correspondent, Tunji Oye, now reports.
Witnessing the trial of the National Chairman of the All Progressive Congress, Adams Oshiomole, in this court. A petition was written in 2016 to the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, on alleged corruption and diversion of public funds by Oshiomole while presiding over the affairs of Edo State as governor. The petitioner, Bishop Osadolo Oche, alleged that the EFCC willfully refused to investigate the former governor despite several petitions and documentary evidences, eventually secured the powers of the court to summon both the EFCC and Oshiomole.
I'm a man that has been denied good governance. As a human rights activist, as an anti-corruption crusader, if you come to the area I dwell, I classified it as government-rejected area. That is where I dwell. For over the years, particularly since Comrade Adams Oshiomole came on board, no razor blade have entered that area. In those days, they do grade rules once December, January. But from 2007 till today, as I speak, all the rules in where I stay, Ward 5, in the Ekpoboha local government area, is in deplorable condition. And we went ahead to investigate and came up with some documents with which the monies were stolen or diverted or misappropriated. So on the basis of that, I approached EFCC with concrete petition. Came to EFCC in 2016. I've been writing, publishing, and been doing all sorts of things. They never cared to listen.
At the resumed hearing of the matter on Tuesday, EFCC did not show up in court, but counsel to Adams Oshiomole told the court that an application has been filed to determine if the petitioner has a local standing to sue Adams Oshiomole.
We have seen the paperwork that has been filed, and there is absolutely nothing to be bothered about. Absolutely nothing to bother about. Apart from the factual issues which the court will decide, we have raised technical issues as regards the competence of the action. Before a court of law will assume jurisdiction to hear a case and decide it, the court must be satisfied, one, that the plaintiff is a proper plaintiff who has a local standard to approach the court. Once you have satisfied that, the court will now ask itself the question: this plaintiff, has he come to court within the time specified by law? So even if you have a right to approach the courts and you go and sleep on your rights and decide to approach the courts at a time that is politically expedient or convenient for you, you have to contend with convincing the court that your action is brought within time.
We were here the last time. We could have gone for hearing today, but you see that EFCC was not represented. Comrade Oshiomole has been represented by a very eminent lawyer and who served us today with a preliminary objection on the basis that they are challenging the local standing of the applicant as well as the fact that the matter may be statute barred. We will now respond to this, and the matter has been set down for hearing of this preliminary objection on the 19th of this month, and hopefully a ruling as the court may please.
The matter has been adjourned to the 19th of November to determine the application of the first defendant. From Abuja, Tunji Oye, TV 360 News.